Hey there friends, it's Hillary of Creative Faith, and today I have a really fun video for you guys using some stickers. Now I am a part of Heart or He Art by Cece, her kind of sticker team, and she has this awesome sticker club, and so every month you get like normally 4 stickers sent to your door, and these are just kind of some of the samples of the ones I haven't used yet, and this is actually a car decal, so I'll set that aside, but they are so beautiful. I will link her online shop down below, and I'm not sure if she still has spots open, but if she does, that will be linked down below too. But they have just really encouraging messages on them, like celebrate every single victory and love grows where it's watered. Don't let the world rain on your parade. This is one of my favorite ones. Broken crayons still color. This is another one of my favorites. I don't need your approval, permission, or opinions to be beautiful. And this one says, some things in life can only be fixed by Jesus and ice cream. Yes and amen. So she has a lot of really awesome stickers on her website. She also makes little pins, and I love using these in my bullet journal. I have them on my bullet journal covers. Here is an example of one of them on my cover, and so I put them lots of different places. But today I'm going to do a process video in the Illustrating Bible using this heart sticker. I have had this entry kind of in my head for a while now, and so I'm excited to use this heart sticker in my Bible and do a process. And so be sure to check out He Art or Heart by Cece in her store, and I'll put her Instagram down below too, because she is just so sweet and has the most beautiful stickers to bring us joy. So I'll put you guys on fast forward now and get started in my Bible. So right before I went to film this video, well, like a day before, I was watching Lindsay, her YouTube channel is Lindsay Decor, her review of the Illustrating Bible, and she was talking about how it does not do very well with watercolor. And so I was kind of nervous to do this and film it because I'm using watercolor and a straw. But you guys will kind of see I didn't really have very much trouble using the watercolor with this Bible. So I'll link Lindsay's video below if you guys want to watch and see that. But I just plopped down some of the color of the watercolor and then used a straw to have it kind of explode on the page. And I was doing it immediately right away, and so I didn't give it enough time to dry, because if it would have dried, then I wouldn't have been able to do this. And so I'm just using colors from the sticker. So I had the sticker kind of off to the left side, and I'm using the colors as my inspiration, and I'm using 2 different watercolor sets. One of them that I'm mostly using is from Designs by Rachel Beth. She has some of my favorite homemade watercolors, and then also Dots and Dust, who also creates these beautiful homemade watercolors. So you'll see I'm kind of pulling from the 2 palettes on my right, and that one I was trying to make kind of the yellowy mustardy color, but it wasn't really working out for me very much, so I kind of just stuck with the blues and the reds. And before I did this, I outlined the sticker so I would kind of know where to put it. This sticker is clear, and so if I would have just like done it from the middle, you wouldn't have been able to see the really beautiful designs on the sticker. And so that's kind of how I am going about putting this heart, kind of this watercolor explosion around the heart. And I am working in John chapter 15, and it's talking about Christ-like love. And I filmed this video around the day after National Day of Prayer. And the theme for National Day of Prayer this year is love one another. And so I kind of took that as my inspiration. And the reason why I especially wanted to do this page, I will link the National Day of Prayers website down below if you guys want to check that out. It's every year, the first Thursday in May, and it is a time to pray for the U.S. and kind of different factions of our government and our cities and our communities and our towns. And so it is just one of my favorite days. I think it's so important that we lift up our country in prayer. You guys know I'm very passionate about prayer. And I actually have a whole playlist on my YouTube channel where I talk about prayer journaling and flip throughs of my prayer journals and whatnot. So I'll link that below so you guys can check that out too. So you saw me fighting to get the backing off of the sticker, but I won. And I'm just going to erase my little pencil marks and put the sticker down. And I just love how this page turned out. It turned out exactly how I kind of imagined it in my head, with just looking like this heart is exploding, which is what Christ does for us. Like, his heart is exploding for his children, and what we are supposed to do for others, right? Our hearts are supposed to explode with love for people around us, and I just think this page is a beautiful example of that. The pen I'm using is called Scribbles Stuff, and I got them at Walmart. They are some of my favorite pens. They were like $11 for all the colors of the rainbow, like any color you could ever imagine. And I use these pens a lot in my prayer journals, and I just love the way they write. And so if you have a Walmart near you, you should definitely go check them out. And I just wrote out love with the number one another, which is what the hashtag was for National Day of Prayer. So I would love to know in the comments below, have you guys ever participated in National Day of Prayer? And if so, what did you do? And I would also encourage you guys to go check out Candace's shop to get these beautiful stickers. And to kind of end the page, I always use, this is my favorite date stamp. It's from Felicity Jane, and it only has the date, and I love it because it's so simple. So I'll link that down below too if you guys want to check out the date stamp. And be sure to subscribe to the Creative Faith YouTube channel, you guys, for more Bible journaling videos. I haven't journaled in my illustrating Bible in a while on here, so let me know in the comments if you like that. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the bell notification. Bye, everyone!